Today we're at the brand spanking new Resorts World in Las Vegas, and tonight we're going to be staying in the Conrad Strip View 1-bedroom suite.
Another one. As far back as I can.
And pricing for Resorts World on this opening weekend is understandably absurdly high, and I actually paid over $1,000 for this room for one night, which is insane, but it does come with this beautiful soaking tub. So this is known as the dressing area. It's connected to the bathroom, and it has a little area, a little desk where you can do some makeup, and it has additional storage with shelves, and it has your safe to lock up the valuables, you know. And what's really neat, there's two sliding doors here. There's one that closes off the dressing area from the bathroom, and then additionally there's a sliding door that closes off the bathroom to the main bedroom. But I've noticed something cool. So basically they're not automatic, but if you bring the door all the way close to the end and let go, it'll go by itself. That's pretty neat. Oh, also there's another bathroom. Powder on, powder on. So this is the powder bathroom. Powder room, powder on, powder. There's two bathrooms here. So it's time for the pool. I'm gonna need this for the pool. Master. Oh. It's about 6:30 p.m., but it's still 106 degrees out here.
Hey guys, welcome.
Hello. Oh, what's up? There's a lot of these lounge chairs chilling in the pool, and the pool area is really nice. There's multiple different pools at Resorts World, and one of them is an infinity pool. Oh, also they have a convenience store out in the pool area, which is neat. And what's up?
Would you include me in that?
Hey, it's a great place. Come stay here. The best. See you guys.
See you, bro. I don't think he was a subscriber.
No, I think he just wanted to be in the video.
Alright, well,
That's fun.
shout out to that fellow.
That's like in the water. I've never seen that.
Wanted for you. You'll never know. You'll never know. You'll never know. I love you so.
So we made it to the infinity pool, right over here. Now it doesn't have the best view of all time because they're still working on a lot of construction for Resorts World out in front here, but this is a really cool spot. Check this out. So I'm not sure if this is the only infinity pool in Vegas, but this is the first time we've seen one. So big thumbs up for Resorts World. That's pretty cool.
Can you take a picture of me?
So we just left the pool not too long ago. Got showered up, changed up. Although I'm wearing the same shirt. but feeling fresh. We met some cool people down at the pool area, and we're actually going to show you guys one of the rooms in the Hilton side of Resorts World. So we're going to go there right now.
Different space, call it Andromeda. Battlestar Galactic with the ratchet.
So we're making our way to the Hilton, and I have to show you guys this bar. It's called Genting Palace. Look how beautiful this bar is. Hello. Hello. Okay, this is my new friend RF,
Hey, how you doing?
and it's his birthday weekend.
It's the
basically?
birthday month.
Birthday
Not
month.
gonna lie, but I'm celebrating every day.
So we just did a quick little room tour of his room at the Hilton, and they were nice enough to clean it up because it was a little bit lived in, but it's pretty fresh. I mean, do you remember how much you paid for it?
Yeah, $211.
$211. Okay, so definitely a little bit better than the room I got. It's a little pricey, but
You got to check out Pomsey. He's the best. He's Vegas.
thanks, bro. Okay, so we abandoned RF and his crew because they're having a good time. They're on their own time right now. So we're going to find a place, a speakeasy, that's located in Resorts World. Apparently there's a unique looking store with some cats doing this, or I don't know. We're gonna figure it out. So we just made it to the Miss Meow Momik stall. That's the front for this speakeasy over here. We don't know the password or if there is a password necessary to get through, but we're gonna find out now. Go okay, for it. Cool. Oh. Yeah, this is sick. There is. Does it always change the password?
No, it's the same.
Okay. What is it? Can I know?
No, I can't.
Oh, why not?
It's a secret. You gotta
It's a
find
secret.
out.
Oh, all right. Well, good luck trying to figure it out. All right. Thank you so much. We're gonna just
Thank you so
head out.
much.
Thanks, bro. That place is pretty cool. It's actually a lot smaller than I thought, but it was really quiet in there. You walk out here and you can't hear a dang thing. So things went a little bit off the rails after the pool session, so I'll try to do my best to recap you. It's the next morning right now. Anyway, after our brief stint at the food court and the speakeasy, we went off the strip, we ventured off to go to Area 15 and we checked out the Omega Mart. What a cool and unique experience. All right, we just walked inside. We have a little card we were given. Apparently we have to scan this to solve their mystery, whatever that means. How did they do that?
They just opened.
What's back here? Whoa! It's kind of like a scavenger hunt. So we're just kind of walking through all this madness. I don't know what's going on. Look at this. Look at this. I'd have to say it's probably the most creative and interesting recreational activity I've ever seen in my whole life. It's really, really, really worth seeing. It's really, 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 really neat. Okay, so Resorts World is a very, very, very important piece on the Strip and in Las Vegas right now. So I'm going to talk about some history and tell you why that is. So before Resorts World, this place, this location on the strip was home to the Stardust Hotel and Casino, the very historic and famous Stardust, and it was demolished in 2007. And the company that owned the Stardust, they had wanted to demolish it and create a new property, but due to the recession in 2008, they ended up just selling off the land. Fast forward, years and years later, here we are, 2021, Resorts World Las Vegas. So Resorts World opened on June 24th, 2021, and was the first new resort to be completed on the Strip since the Cosmopolitan, which opened in 2010. At a cost of $4.3 billion, Resorts World is the most expensive resort property ever developed in Las Vegas. The resort includes a 117 square foot casino and a 59-story tower housing 3 Hilton hotels. The Las Vegas Hilton at Resorts World with 1,700 rooms, the Conrad Las Vegas at Resorts World with almost 1,500 rooms, and the Crockford's Las Vegas with 236 rooms. Now the Crockford's is a high luxury property, so it doesn't have as many rooms as Hilton and the Conrad, but the rooms it does have are very, very, very luxurious. Resorts World is an Asian-themed property with 1,400 slots, 117 table games, a poker room, and a sports book. The resort has various technological features. It accepts cryptocurrency through a partnership with Gemini, and the casino floor offers optional cashless wagering at slots and table games with the use of a mobile wallet. Each of the 3 resorts in Resorts World, they have their own check-in areas, their own lobby areas. This is actually pretty interesting. So the hotel does not include a 4th floor, as 4 is considered an unlucky number in many Asian countries. Interesting. The property includes the district, which is 70,000 square feet of retail center spread across 2 floors. It has various retailers including Fred Segal stores, a Kardashian closet. The district also contains several other restaurants and the globe. So that giant big globe at the very front entrance that has like the Resorts World logo and some kind of like digital pieces floating around, that is called the globe. The West Tower has a 100,000 square foot exterior LED screen. It took 7 months to construct. The LED screen faces south and is made of somewhat transparent aluminum mesh, allowing hotel guests to be able to see out their windows. And last night when we saw our friends RF and his crew of friends, we saw his room in the Hilton. We were able to see out his window and to see through the LED video wall. And it honestly, the view was not obstructed, which is pretty surprising. Additionally, other features include 250,000 square feet of meeting and banquet space, a 5.5-acre pool complex with 9 pools, and the 27,000 square foot Lanai Spa. It is expected that 75% of the resort's revenue will come from non-gaming options, such as live entertainment and restaurants. So in addition to the Zouk nightclub, they have a day club called AYU. So the only other thing I'd like to add is that they have a number of absolutely gorgeous bars scattered throughout Resorts World. So it's definitely a place where you can really just enjoy a nice environment and have a drink. Oh, and also, this is pretty neat. Resorts World is partnered with Grubhub. So Grubhub, which is a food delivery service, actually you can go use your phone, you scan a little QR code that's attached to your key card, your key card sleeve thingy that they give you when you check in. Anyway, you scan that QR code, it brings up this menu where you can just order anything at Resorts World and it can be delivered right to your room, or if you're at the pool, it can be delivered to you at the pool. So overall, summarizing my stay here, I couldn't have been happier and more impressed with the customer service. First and foremost, that is the key thing I would take away and would like for you to take away, is that the customer service here is exemplary. So I'll just leave off with this. Obviously, Resorts World is incredible, but it is not finished yet. There's a couple pools that you can see from our view outside here that aren't completed yet. There's construction, still ongoing here. So if you're gonna stay here, just keep that in mind. Maybe you're better off waiting a year or so down the line to actually enjoy everything that's available. But other than that, I get a huge fat 2 thumbs up for this place. Honestly, it's a masterpiece. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.